Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Charlotte and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. This fantastic Volkswagen Golf Estate R-Line is fresh in stock and it does come with just one previous owner and in exceptional condition with just less than 10,800 miles covered. This 2022 model is the ideal spacious upgrade for those wanting to cover extra miles as it just comes with your 2-litre diesel engine. Finished in a sleek metallic Dolphin Grey, this R-Line is packed with plenty of advanced features, including your LED daytime running headlights for enhanced visibility ahead. You do even have your full parking sensors along with your stylish and contrasting roof rails. For those summer months, you do even have a panoramic glass sunroof along with a roller blind covering. And as we move into the boot area, it is ideal for those with plenty of larger travel plans, easily housing several large suitcases and all of your essentials with an extra storage pocket below. Step into a world of luxury with a part leather, part suede finish with a handy pull down armrest, so it is much easier to maintain all round with your central climate vents for added comfort. Moving into your front interior now, you will find your R-Line leather wrapped and multifunctional sports steering wheel with a heated function for those colder winter conditions, with access to your digital cockpit screen and central touch display. You do also have your R-Line front sports seats for added style all round. Moving into your steering wheel, you will find your multifunctional options with access to your adaptive cruise control, keeping you a safe distance, and you can quite easily navigate around your digital cockpit screen. As you can see, this does come complete with your ambient lighting selection, really setting the mood throughout the vehicle. So of course you do have all your vital car information on here, including your mileage, fuel consumption or average speed, etc. You do even have access to your navigation or various audio options, keeping you entertained, and it is much more in eye level when you are driving. Moving across into your central touch display screen, of course you do have your Bluetooth connection for quick access to vital car apps. This does come with your wireless app connect with access to your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and a mirror link, much more convenient. And of course you do have a wide selection of radio stations to keep you entertained, or of course you can connect via Bluetooth and listen to your own preferred audio, so it will keep you entertained on those longer, more daunting journeys. You do even have access to your user profile for that personalised touch, alongside your navigation system for those unfamiliar areas, as it does come equipped with your points of interest, so you can quickly get to your nearest petrol station if needed. And to keep the vehicle in top check, you do have all your vital vehicle information, including your exterior and interior options. That does include things such as your interior lighting and of course your cockpit option on there as well. And as stated previously, this vehicle does come with your advanced features, including your ambient lighting that does house 30 different colour choices, so you can really set the mood throughout the vehicle and it does feel more personalised. You do also have access to your safety features that does include your IQ Drive. This does use the monitoring of the road ahead with the ability to help brake on its own to keep you at a safer distance, along with your front and rear parking sensors that will be activated when you put the car into reverse. And to keep a desired temperature throughout the vehicle, you do have access to your on-screen climate control alongside your driving modes, including your eco and comfort if you are feeling a bit more efficient. So this is located just underneath there as well, followed by your handy power outlets to keep any devices fully charged. This is also an automatic transmission for a much smoother drive. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video at all. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 885 3994 or inquire online now.